Catty's in for it too.
Cool. Thanks. No, Izzy, get off.
Wait, I'll get you scissors. I'll just stop it. I'll start again, okay?
Yeah.
Izzy, you have to move.
You might want to get off, Izzy. I'll put you on the sofa. She agrees with me on this one. Okay, so... No! Stay there.
Go like this. Yeah. And just go. You got it?
Yeah. Okay. She's stopping it now.
Already. That's done already.
Okay. I see it. This is what I ordered. Yep.
Now I would, turn it upside down, the box.
Izzy, look. I think she likes it already. How would I get it out? I know. Oh wait, no I don't. There we go.
Yeah, that.
I can't get it out.
Don't mind to pause.
There we go. Got this out. This is the PC case.
Now you take over,
Okay.
so you can see.
So this is the PC case. This got USB 3 and USB 2. Headphone and microphone jack. And I think it's another headphone jack. I don't think this has got a DVD drive, but I'm sure it's cool. I've got a USB one. So this here is I've got what it's called again. What is this brand called?
Corsair.
Yeah, so this is the Corsair PC case that I'm going to be using to build my Hackintosh. So we can easily just unwrap it with this nice foam right here. It basically looks like I bought a gaming PC. Oh no, we don't have like £200 spare for that. We're gonna save up like £300 on this instead. Oh, Izzy, you know it's a PC already. Look. I imagine what it'll be like if she's inside it. So this here, we've got the guide to this. So it's for PC builders. It says Cabrid Series Spec 05 Mid-Tower Gaming Case. So this is like a gaming PC. It's basically just like a Hackintosh. It's going to be a Hackintosh. So yeah, Kitty, hey Izzy, I'm gonna have to get you off of there, okay? I know you like the box or the PC. You can play with it after I get it out. There we go. I think it comes with a free fan. Okay. So, I like it. We can pop open the case as well at some point.
Where's your camera? Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see right here, see-through. So that means you can see inside it. Now this is the most exciting part about it. Peeling this off. Wait. I think it's see-through on the other side.
No, I think you're right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So. Oh yeah. Okay. Wait, free screw thingy?
Tool.
Yeah. How would I get it without like damaging the PC case?
Scissors.
Oh yeah. Oh wait, I can just wrap it. I can unwrap it.
Sure. Oh yeah.
Okay. I like this. It's going to be like a gaming PC, because it is. So yeah, we're going to keep this tool, aren't we? Aren't we, Dad?
What's that?
Are we going to keep this tool?
Yeah, that's yours.
Cool. You can see the cat right now while we unscrew this. You know what? I'm going to pause it. The other satisfying part. Right click. Yeah, that sound. I don't think this part is scratched. It's probably just a reflection. But now let's unscrew this part. Forgot which way it goes.
Anti-clockwise. That's tightening it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, Susie, this is a PC build and a Hackintosh build. Now let's take a look inside. You know, just because like I never seen it. Okay, so we've taken this part off and we've got the cat trying to kill my tool. So yeah, she's exploring that while she is. Let's seal off this part. Okay. The cat's afraid of that. ASMR, basically. So, yeah, now let's take a look inside the PC case. Oh no, Izzy, don't touch that. So inside here, this is the PC case. It comes with a free fan, a free box inside here. This is pretty weird. And then we've got like cables.
Yeah, and cable tidies, so like it'll help you, so that you can look through the side and your cables will be tucked away. So say that.
Yeah. So basically, it's there's like cable management as well. So then, like, you can put the cables and stuff like somewhere where the cables won't die from the fan and all the other cool stuff. We've got a box in here. Imagine if they gave us like something free. That'd be pretty cool. While we're opening it, let's see what it is. Oh, this is some screws. Yeah, Dad, we got some free screws.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
For the build.
Yeah, pretty much. I'll put them back in that box. I'm gonna put them back in the box just because I don't want to lose them. Meanwhile, while we're not building it, it could be like a filing cabinet at some point, like until like where we keep some parts for it. Like we're gonna add the Catalina disc part.
Yeah. Yeah, the lights are built in already.
Cool. So it looks like a LED like gaming PC. There'll be a Hackintosh. I'm trying not to break the box. Now I'm gonna put the PC case back on, so I'm gonna end the video. Bye.